Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create simple buildings for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step, how to make any random buildings, simple buildings. First, you can just go and download the Blender. Blender is a free 3D modeling software. Right. Next, what you need to do is you need to have a material texture of the building like this. For more example, you can see these are the examples of the building material texture. Alright, so as demo, I'm going to just choose one of it randomly. For example, I choose this. Just right click, save the image as, and save it. This is WEBP. This format maybe is not supported. You need to find a JPG or PNG, it will be better. So now I have just this one here, one of this. So you better find a high resolution picture, or you just take photo or just make it by yourself. Next, open the Blender, click and press A and press delete button to delete everything. Just add a mesh, add a cube, then click here, then the location G, just type 1 and press enter, then just press Ctrl A and then click all transform. Once you've done this step, just go to the material, click, then material plus new base color, you click and just choose the image texture. Just opens from the desktop. Just now you have a JPEG in this way. Click here to turn on the material. Alright, next, just go to the UV editing right here and then drag this until you can see this bar. Just click to just turn on the material. Next, just click here so that you can select the face. Just right click, then UV unwrap angle base. Click UV unwrap angle base for 4 sides of them. Right, now we have to check the direction and orientation seem all okay already. And next, for this part, we are going to just create a fresh new material. Just click here. So just now the material 001, we change it to become the building. Next, we plus to create one more, just plus new base color, then click and just assign it. Assign this face to the material 001, assign it. So here, bottom as well, assign. Material, assign. So now, the only left is this part, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need some editing job. So now, click the empty area, then click one of the side, then hold the shift, click another 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now you can see this UV. You have to just move it to cover everything so that it will be balanced. Now, seem it okay already. Next, this is a simple building. Just back to the layout. Now you can see a simple building 3D model already made and created. So of course you can just change the shape if you want. Just for example, click and go to the edit modes. You can drag and drop to just change the shape, whatever shape that you want, just to make it taller, etc. You can drag here this part to just make it that way. Alright, as long as you feel satisfied already, then you can just export as FBX. But before that, just save this Blender file. Click File, External Data, Automatic Pack Resources. Make sure the material texture pack inside here. Then just back to the object mode, just right click set the origin to the center of the mass of the volume. Wait, Ctrl Z. Then back to here, we are going to make sure that the movement of the Y is 0. Then just right click again, set the origin to the 3D cursor at the bottom. Once you've done this step, everything perfect, then just click Ctrl S to save it. And as demo, I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to just name this as building. Save the blend file. Done. Once done this step, just export as FBX on the desktop. The path mode you have to choose copy, and here you have to just turn this on. This is to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX exported. Just click export FBX. Done this step. Now the final step is the iClone. What you need to do is just drag in the FBX into the iClone, drag and drop into the iClone. It is going to import, just click convert all. Now you can see the building just now. It's already here. This is the new building that I made in Blender. Of course, the texture is copyrighted. You better just create your own texture, or just take photo of the real building just by using a drone or whatever methods. Just do not simply use other people's copyrighted picture. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create simple buildings for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.